Good morning, this is Philip Strebel, Senior Market Strategist at MF Global with your daily metals commentary here for Thursday, October 13th. Looking at metals, no real developments in the overnight market. It was under a little bit of pressure with the S&P 500. JP Morgan came out with okay earnings. They broke down the numbers though, had some small debt to equity ratio problems. So the equity market's a little bit of pressure. We're seeing gold come off with it. We're seeing silver have a little bit more of a sell-off, but it's still holding some comfortable levels. Chart pattern has got me on a mixed kind of emotion type deal. If we take out, like on a 2-day basis, closes over 1690 in the gold, that would be taking out this down trend line that I was talking about. I think that we're going to extend higher, okay? But we leave ourselves susceptible to another complete washout. So you don't have put options on, consider them. Also consider maybe selling call options. Just get it closer to the contract highs. You'll have plenty of time to add additional positions on or modify those options as the market goes up. Silver's the same deal. I think north of 33, got a little bit of pressure. Below 30, I think, is a value zone. We're probably not going to get that again. I've had a lot of people calling about selling put options in the silver. It's a much more aggressive strategy. It involves, different types of risks, unlimited risk. You probably want to, consult your broker before you do something like that. But I would say you got to get them at least low 20s if you're shorting any puts. We saw the put options just explode in value the last time the market had sold off. Also, I'm doing April gold, the 18.5, 19.5 call spreads. They're a little costly right now. I'm going to recheck them up as the market sells off. I did a write-up on how a call spread is constructed. I actually did it for sugar, but I can come back through and I can do it for the gold market. So if you've never done a call spread in gold or silver, this is pretty self-explanatory, and you can work through the example there. As far as other news, nothing big. I mean, I think Slovakia will have a yes vote towards the end of the week. We had jobless claims come out. There was nothing there. Copper market's got a little bit of pressure on it, but it looked like if we could get a close over like 342 on some higher volume, we'll probably extend higher and it'll be a breakout type situation. Again, platinum, palladium, no real developments there either. Market kind of turned up, but nothing else going on. As far as other fundamentals, I'm not going to sit here and read zero hedge to you guys. So I could honestly, you guys can all do that yourself. As far as comments on the on the videos here, I did have someone write a pretty interesting question. They were asking about CFTC position limits. If the position limits get contracted, how that'll impact the market. The reality is, I don't think it will, because of the fact that I think that those shorts will end up sliding over to somebody else. And it will have the same amount of short interest. It's just going to be a different owner on the silver market. But look at yesterday's video, look at the comments. I kind of explained it a little bit. And also the large short position that supposedly is out there, I cannot, as a licensed broker, cannot confirm or deny any of those concepts because of legalities. But the thing is that that's not the main driver of the silver market, in my opinion. I'm a long-term fundamentalist. I think that the number of uses for it are continuing to grow. The amount is very limited. So remember, if you have any questions, give me a call at 800-803-8037. Remember, futures and option trading does involve risk of loss, and it may not be suitable to all investors. Good luck, good trade.